In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to circle crop yourself on another video, and we'll be using Capcut to do this. This will allow you to showcase both yourself and the video tutorial simultaneously. Before we get into this video, please support me by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support will help this channel grow over time. Now, let's jump into the video tutorial.
So first thing, you want to import both the video of yourself and the video tutorial. Now you drag the video tutorial first on the timeline, and then you can also drag your main video as well on the timeline. Make sure the video of yourself is on the video tutorial. Now make sure that the video covers the same length. Both the video of yourself and the video tutorial covers the same length. So what you want to do next, you can use zoom to fit timeline in order for both videos to expand very well on the timeline, and then come to mask, click on circle mask to circle crop your main video on the video tutorial. So you can drag this right here and then place it to the center of the video. Once that is okay, you can go back to basic and then reduce the scale. So reduce the scale. After reducing the scale, you can place it anywhere you like in the video, and then go to text, add default text, make sure it covers the same length with your video, and then delete the default text and type in O. So after that, you want to make sure you select a font that's not too big. I think this one works best for me, so I'm going to select that, and then I can expand it a bit and then place it right behind my video. So the next thing is to if you like to change the color, so I like to use blue, so I just change the color. So this is very easy and straightforward. This is the end of this video. If you found this video tutorial helpful, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.